For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to measure things with your Samsung. I'm using a Samsung S26 Ultra. This will work with a Samsung S25, S24, any of the ones that have the side panels. Okay, and I'm going to show you all about how to do this. So let's get into it, as I like to say. So let's go first off to Settings, Display, scroll down to Edge Panel. I think I called the side panel, Edge Panel, Side Panel. And we want to tap on that. And of course we want it on. And then Panels, go ahead and tap on that, scroll over, and you tap on Tools. Okay, you want Tools on. And then under Edit, you can use Location Data. That's the only real option you have, so I turn it on. Might as well, why not? Okay, now we go back, and again, your panel, your tool panel is, your edge panel is on. We've added tools to it. Okay, and there's all kinds of things. This is a whole nother video on how to do handle position, show in landscape mode, just all kinds of different things setting wise for edge panel. So it's really neat. If you're not sure of edge panels, edge panel is a setting which I just turned on, and it's on the side, and now you can scroll through, like for example, here's one here for my different apps. So I would hit the pencil and set what I wanted to and put apps there and subtract apps and etc. I don't want to mess with that. That's getting out of the scope of this video. So anyway, so we have that on and we have tools set. So now we're done here. So let's go to our tools, and you just keep scrolling until you find the tools. So here's tools. Okay, and right off the bat, we have a compass for a tool. Tells where we're at, longitude and latitude, pretty cool. Hit the three buttons, and you have several other ones here. The one we're concerned in is ruler. Okay, and you can do whatever you want. Inch, centimeter, oops, just hit it. Hang on here, sorry. Let's go back. So there, and ruler. So we can do centimeters and inches. Okay, you can calibrate it, which mine's pretty calibrated. Drag scale left to right to calibrate it, so I'm not going to mess with mine. Mine's plenty calibrated, but so if you want to go to inches, pretty simple and self-explanatory. You put the item up next to the ruler, and now you have a ruler in your hand. Just pretend that's a physical ruler, and that's how you measure things. Now, there is another way that they use the camera to measure items with. It's really clunky, very clunky. It doesn't work like I'd like it to. I think it's because, and correct me if I'm wrong, the S26 Ultra and some of the phones under it does not have a LiDAR scanner. Without a LiDAR scanner, your accuracy is just not going to be there. It has to have a LiDAR in it. So that's why I don't like using that. This is about as accurate as you can be. It's holding up a tape measure next to whatever you're doing, and it's very, very accurate. So like, say for example, then also, if you want to measure something and it measures, you just put it in 0, of course you start it, and it goes right here. You can actually say, okay, that's 1.69 inches. So pretty idiot proof, as I'd like to say. So you get a very accurate measure, and these are these are what, eighths? 2, 4, 6, yeah. These are eighths. So instead of 2 point whatever, you could, this is in digital. So instead of 2 1/8, it would of course be right there, 2.12 or 2.5, go in the middle, 2.5, etc. So that's another neat little feature you have, is knowing exactly the measurements. And again, you can switch it to centimeters. I wish they had other ones besides that. I do a lot of work in metric things for 3D printing, etc. You do a lot of work in metric because it's just simply more accurate than the inches and everything. But there's also ways to convert inches to metric, and it just so happens to be right on here. I'm just going to go right through that real quick. Let's just do it. This is not part of the video, but here's a unit converter. So let's say we have 100 go to length. This is totally off the scope, but I just would like to show you this. So let's say we have 100 inches and we want metric. That'd be 2.5 meters. I don't really want meters, I want millimeters, as I said. So 100 inches, 2,540 millimeters, all right from your side button. Okay, so it's really a pretty cool and fast way of doing things, and I could do a whole video on just that. And then of course your your Good Lock app has settings for this to make it even more powerful. So, which I'm not going to get off topic even more, but that is how you measure things. Pretty simple. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.